Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So firstly I need to apologise for the mess on the floor. Molly's got his toys all over the place and he's got little bits of, so you'll probably see him back and forward. He's got a little box over there that he's been putting his ball in. So we're going to open this box and this is from Sharon Hatton, and thank you so much Sharon, so much. I do appreciate this. If you can hear me over the noise. Ooh. Ooh, watch. Ooh, what is it? Why are you sniffing in there? There's something in here for you. You're getting good Happy Meal, Muttley. Muttley started getting Happy Meal inside the Happy Meal. Oh, there is as well. Can you smell that? You can smell those. You can. Oh, look at that. Oh, tasty mini chews, Muttley. Oh, they're nice. No, you're not getting them open. You've had your dinner. Oh, look at that, Molly. You got chews. Little tasty chews. Thank you very much. She did tell me that she was putting some treats in for the dog. I'll pop that there. I've got a little chair there. Oh, there's another box. There's another bag. There's another bag. There's two bags. Oh, look at that, Molly. There's treats. He's like, give me the ball. Where's the ball one? Oh, there's treats. I'll pop that there, a little sheet. Oh, put that down here. There's no more. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Oh, that's really soft. Look at that pink in that. That's pretty. Look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. And this is quite a deep box, so you're going to have to excuse me leaning over and getting all this out of here. And don't worry, I keep saying this, don't worry about giving me little odd ends. I do use them. In the middle, well, not in the middle, I'll need to show you. I've started using all the oddballs of this type of chenille. I've started making a blanket and I'm going to put it on my own bed and for the winter. And if I use kind of a smaller hook, that's really pretty. Look at that pink. It's amazing. It's really thingy. Somebody's got a wool winder. You got a wool winder, or did it come like that? What else have we got? Oh, Flutterby. This is a James C. Brett. Now, I think James C. Brett sort of jumped on the bandwagon with the baby chenille. This is so pretty and it makes beautiful, beautiful blankets. And it's a really nice lilac. Look at that. That's pretty. There's 100 grams in it. That's 280 metres. There's 305 yards. 100% super soft polyester. That is beautiful. Quick knit. 100 grams. So a number. It's just a shade. BQ03. It's a BQ03. That is really pretty. It's so soft as well. I love this stuff. It's really fine. The very first James C. Brett yarn I ever bought was Marble. They had James C. Brett Marble and it's beautiful. It's all different shades and all different colours. It's really pretty. We'll pop that up there. And there's another, oh, there's another one. It's a pink one. And there's another one down there. Hang on, I need to tip the box up a little bit. I'm a little bit on the short side for rummaging in the box. It's quite a deep box. That's beautiful. Look at that. And there's a pink, and then there's a lilac. That's a beautiful shade of pink. And then there's a blue one and a lilac. That's so pretty. Thank you so much. Oh, that's really nice. And it's really soft. It smells lovely. It smells lovely. And we've got pink. That's a nice little ball of pink. And a lot of the time, I keep saying this, some of the odd balls, if it's a nice yarn, I use it to show people how to do stitches. So it's not that it's not going to get used, it does. And Sandra does lots of granny squares as well. So it's always really, really helpful that way. And we've got a ball of baby. That's pretty. It's a wool craft. It's a double knitting. That's really pretty. That's nice. The shade is 6 03 and it's 100 grams. It's 100 meters on it. It tells you to use a 4mm crochet hook. It's a nice thin yarn, gives you nice dainty stitches. And Muttley's got his ball down there, just throwing it around everywhere. What is it? Where's your ball? I'll put that over there. No, you're not putting your ball in this box. I haven't taken everything out yet. So what we're going to do, oh, there's whole packets in here. My goodness. There's a little note. I've got a little note. I found a little note to Alison and Molly. There's a little note here. Thank you for your tutorials. It's helped me in so many ways. That is beautiful. So thank you so much for the note, Sharon. That is a beautiful note, a beautiful note. I'm going to hold this up a little bit and stick my hand in, down into this box. Look at that. Look at that, Muttley. Muttley's like, oh, it's a bag. Look at Muttley. It's a bag. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Aldi yarn. What are the Aldi yarns really nice? Right, we'll give that bag to Muttley. It'll keep him quiet for a few minutes. And again, I'm going to say to you, excuse for the mess. Oh my God, he's got his head in it. There's no treats in it. I've taken them out. I've taken them out.
I think you can sniff the boxes that have got treats in it. From
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, he's a hound. He's going to smell that out. Look at that. That is beautiful. What you looking for? Oh, you've put your ball in there. He's put his ball in the box. He's going about ready. 1, 2, 3, catch. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, he's I'm not a toy. Hey. Okay, so you've given Sharon's box approval. Right. She's mad half hour today. Now this is called Pearl. And look at the colours in that. That's absolutely beautiful. And it's really squishy as well. It's really squishy. I like that. It's beautiful. And there's 2 of them. There's 200 grams, so that's 400 grams. That is absolutely amazing. Look at the scarf that they've made with that. Look at that. It's so pretty. Right, so there's a knitting pattern for this. It tells you there's a free knitting pattern of a button cowl included. So it's in behind, underneath, in the back of the label. They give you a free pattern now. You know, as you can hear in the background is Muttley again. It's always Muttley, isn't it? That's beautiful. And it's squishy. It's really nice. I don't think I've had any of the pink. I've got a sort of minty green one. Look at that. It's good enough to eat, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. Thank you very, very much. There's a toolbox. We've got a new fashion, double knitting by Woolcraft. It's a pretty pink. It's really pretty. So the shade is 2F79. 100 grams. It's 100 grams of acrylic, 300 meters. Tells you to use a 4mm crochet hook on knitting needle. That's pretty. I like that. I really like that one. And then, oh my goodness, look at this. This is amazing. A whole packet, look. Look at that. That's so pretty. So it's so crafty yarn. This is from Aldi's. And like I keep saying, if you've got an Aldi near you and they don't do yarn, email them. Email them and ask them to do an art and craft special. And a lot of the time they will, if they get big enough demand, they will. They will do it. And this one is just a light brown. The colour number is K1829 and they do, if you go online, if your Aldi doesn't do yarn, then go online. You can get it online, and they do deliver it as well. you don't get such a big selection sometimes in the shops, but then sometimes when you go to the shop there isn't any left because everyone's bought it. The Aldi at my in where I live, it's really difficult. You've got to be down there at 8:30 in the morning or whenever it opens, and then get in and get the yarn before everybody else. It's really hard. So a lot of the time when I was buying it, I just went online. And I think the last time I bought anything from Aldi was in February, the end of January, February. That is brilliant. That's amazing. Oh, there's another full bag. Oh no, look what's down in there. That is brilliant. Look at that. I like when it says touch me. This is really nice, this one. The colour on this one is K872 and it's the 100 grams again. I think that's 300 metres per ball. That is so pretty. So much. Thank you so much. It's lovely, Sharon. Thank you. It's so generous. Oh, look at this one. Oh, yeah. That's the box empty. The box is empty, but look at this. Seriously chunky. And it's from Signet. That is really soft. Do you feel that? Sandra's sitting away over there on the sofa. You know, look at that. That is so soft. It's going to make a beautiful something anyway. I need to do one of those. I need to do one of those pocket shawls in the super chunky.
Yeah.
I mean, they're really popular, the pocket shawl. What you do is if you Google pocket shawl, and you can do any pattern, any of the blankets that I've got on my channel, you can just make them like a long scarf and then put the pockets on them and it becomes a pocket shawl. So if you're a little stuck for a pattern from it, then just try some of the ones that are on my channel, and you can make those lovely beautiful shawls that everyone's wearing with the big deep pockets in it. That is beautiful. I'm certainly going to do that with this. Once I finish the other one, I'm doing, I'm already doing one. Could you give me that over, Sandra, so I can show?
Yes, boss. Yes, boss. On the way, boss. On the way.
I'll get done for Black Lives Matter first. So I've got this. This is what I'm doing. I'm using this yarn that I got off my friend Claire. This is a Women's Institute yarn, and they do this in Hobbycraft. I'll turn that round. Now the colour's mustard, but to me it looks like gold. I love the colour of this. It's so pretty, and look how it crochets up. It crochets up like this. I need to fix that because that's a better different colour. So look how gold that is. It's pretty. Now this is, look how long this is. This is like 60 inches long. Look at this. I actually think it might be more than that. And I'm doing what's called a pocket shawl. So you do it really long like this. I think this is the first time I've showed a whip. A work in progress. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it about that wide, like that, and it goes over your shoulders like a shawl, and then you put a big pocket on it. You can cheat with making a pocket shawl. If you do your length, like your scarf length, what you do is you take this corner and you fold it up like that, and it makes a pocket so you can put your hand in. So if you're not too great at doing pockets, you can do it like that, or you can even just fold over the end like that. Just make it bigger, make it longer than you need, and then make your pocket this way. You can do your pocket that way. But I will do a tutorial on this, and I will show it once it's finished with what I'm using on that. That's the back of it, and that's the front of it. It's really pretty. So I've got some work to do with this on this one. I'm going to pop that back aside because that's my little work in progress. That. So, Sharon, thank you so much. Sharon Hatton, thank you so much. This is brilliant. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to make a different style pocket shawl with this. That should be enough to do one because it's nice and chunky, so it'll crochet up really quickly as well. So thank you so much, and thank you all for watching. And Sandra over there with her little comments
Yeah.
and her crochet.
Happy
So
crafting.
so if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please click on that subscribe button. Help me get up to 1 million subscribers. Help me to try and be one of the first ones to get a gold award for having 1 million subscribers, especially for a crochet channel or a craft channel. I know there are a few that have got like your 5 minute crafts and things, but for channels like mine, it's sometimes it's really difficult to get up there along with all the other big YouTubers. I'm not got the aspirations of being a huge YouTuber. I just want to meet the milestones that where you get the free award just to say that basically saying well done. And I would just love to have that because it's a brilliant legacy that I can pass down to my children. That I can pass down to my children when I'm no longer here. They can always tell their grandchildren, "Oh, that was your great that was your great granny that did that," and they'll be like, "What's YouTube?" More than likely, there'll be something else that's taken over, and they won't know what YouTube is. Definitely not. It's going to be so digitized and so just another world altogether. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. And Sharon Hatton, thank you so much for sending this. I really do appreciate it. I love this. I love it. And anyway, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then click on that subscribe button. And if you click on the little bell icon that's there, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. And I will leave my email address down in the description if you want to send any happy mail so that you know that it's going to get to me. And then I can make a little video and we can all have some fun and have a little bit of excitement to see what's going to be in the box or in the bag. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.